Hey, it's another vlogging day. And this one, you want to stay tuned because it's a no GoPro camera. I have a Hero Session, a Hero 7 Black, and this Hero 8 Black. I love to go get a Hero 9. I'm going to have to sell my Hero 7 Black. I'm definitely going to have to sell my Hero 8 Black if I am to get a Hero 9 Black. That's about $300 I'm going to get for the Hero 7 and 8. I may have to put 150 to the Hero 9. And that's all I ever want to spend for another GoPro. Option, I can make up the difference with the Pro mic selling that. They don't sell cheap. Now that I got my selling point across to you, why do I want to say that? Well, let me give you all these bugs and issues. And my story, why I'm not satisfied. GoPro, I want my money back. I'm going to need a mini. Open up the notepad file. And when I open up that notepad file, you're going to see a giant list of issues. Let me start off by saying, charged my camera. The LED never went off. All night long. Woke up this morning, LED's still on. It's still charging. Now I know how long it takes for the GoPro to charge, and I know people will say, I use external chargers. Well, you have to unplug the camera and the LED still stays on. That is a 2-for-1 special. So you got two troubles right there. Always unplugging and plugging the camera. Well, hey, that's 3 specials right there. That should not make you not want to sell. That should make you to keep the camera. You got something special. Fanboy, or you just a ranter. I love my camera, but I don't have freezes and people don't have those LED issues. But why does the camera still have with the Pro mic? Please refrain from using quick capture. Since the GoPro Hero 5 Black days, 2015, October 8th, when Christopher Columbus was a holiday. Explain that to me. And you could try to explain to me why the Pro mic shows in the camera not available, and the camera firmware hardware USB port simply gives unexpectedly. Oh, fish, you're supposed to get the media module. Those problems will be resolved. No, those problems still exist with an expensive media module. Now, imagine pulling the battery. I was going to say the microphone because I'm all over the mic problem. And now you start the quick capture. My video was on time warp. Oh, why am I time warped? Well, that's an issue nobody complains about. Never been fixed. Two excellent issues. Ding dong. The witch is dead. Ding dong. Oh yeah, plug in and plug out your camera. Maybe more than one time. USB connection. Oh, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But heck, I don't have too much of an issue with that. Some people out there do. I hate sounding like a broken record. I hate sounding like a broken record. Oh yeah, you get that random constant on off on off on off. You thought you shut your camera down, turns off, 5 seconds later it goes right back on. Repeat, 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 repeat until you move the battery. Once that battery's removed, the repeat's over. Now, so far, if you're following along with what I'm saying, oh yeah, all those issues are with this product of my camera. So, continuing on, every single time on shutdown, oh yeah, it's never ever going to be the same. Some are, some won't. It could take 3 seconds, it could take 30 seconds, it could take 10 seconds, it could take a minute. Never happens on startup. Startup goes exactly the way it's supposed to. But shutdown, it's got to create its header and do unbelievable things. Just about like right now, when I did quick capture, it's stuck on, it didn't shut down. So why is GoPro with all these issues? I don't know. They've been here for a long time. I don't know. Everything you do with it, it's always a problem. You want a perfect camera, the camera don't work perfect. You want a camera that takes a picture at nighttime, it don't work perfect. With that nighttime, you have night lapse of video, and you got hot pixels. You got red and blue and green spots all over. Are they in the same exact camera? Well, it's like today. People don't know how to give you your space. They just come right here onto the side, and they still come close. I can't continue to go on with the list of bugs and issues, and I don't want to continue on, especially if the Hero 9 camera coming out in the next month or two, most likely to the end of September, beginning of October, if they release. You never hear a word from a company. They're not allowed to tell you, are we going to get a front video screen? I only see a nice large counter that I did this for 1 minute and 48 seconds plus, and here comes another. And in the near future, it's a decision I and we and you will have to make. It's not an easy decision to make, but heck, Ohio Fred, you got to learn to ignore everything around you. Put blinders on. Don't look, just talk to yourself. When you talk to yourself, people think, we'll leave him alone. He doesn't know what he's talking about. I am done with all these troubles. When I use my DJI, I'm not using my DJI Osmo action camera today. I'm using my GoPro, and I chose to leave the Pro mic home with the Rode Wireless Go, so I can yell to you over the noise that gets picked up more often. I turn that camera on, and I shut that camera off, and I don't have a single issue to complain about. Oh yeah, I got some issues to complain about. I'm always trying to learn the on and off button and the quick snap button. Every time I use it, sometimes I get a little confused in using it. I don't get confused which way to walk. There's a whole bunch of sand over here. That's why they walk by. People got one-track minds. It works. I'm happy. I got an issue. And they cry the whole world on the issue. What to do? What to do? Well, it's the golden hour. I should be shining bright. The video's more than 10 minutes long. It totally lost your retention. But I'm done complaining, ranting, raving, whatever you want to call it. And I hope you can make a little bit of sense out of it. It's a love and hate relationship. When the camera works like it's expected to in all its times, you'll get the idea. Well, I should maybe do one of these. Put my bike out in the front over here. Maybe people will stop doing one of these coming extra close. They want to be on film. Well, I am out of here. Just before I close my notes out and made you stay for such a long time, let's get this one giant major issue over. My camera, it heats up so hot it could boil a cup of coffee on it. Well, GP1 chip, Technologies, DJI, any 4K camera is going to heat up, is going to get warm. The battery will get warm. Even my remote control transmitter battery gets warm. That is life. It works. It's the norm. So I'm Norm. I'm out of here. No, I'm the fish, and I know it all. So on that note, you all have a great day, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come. Before I leave you on the sour note, GPS, there's another one. Desktop will not be working until Legacy and the GoPro Hero 9 comes out fall of 2020. Oh, we're so excited. We cannot wait for GoPro to get their act together. Have a great day. Deja Vu Legacy desktop app coming out fall of 2020, and the GoPro Hero 9 GPS will be up and running. Until then, we got to use the issued camera with the mobile app GoPro.